Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this new video. Obviously on Ethena, which has been one of the strongest cryptos this weekend for a reason I'll tell you in this video. But I wanted to do a full update here. Because not only was this one of the strongest cryptos in this weekend, but no, at the moment, technically, we're also at a very interesting level, because you can see our main resistance level that we created since Friday has been this level. Well, Friday last week actually. We've been consolidating here for some time now, but between 1.1 and 1.05. All right, that was the main resistance level, and with some news that we had yesterday coming, we broke above that, and now it's the moment of truth with the new week opening and new volume coming in, new capital flowing in, whether this is actually confirmed as a real breakout or not. I mean, on the daily time frame, 12-hour time frame, this is all a real breakout, so there it's great, but we must not forget that it's a weekend it's a breakout in the weekend, right? And although I do think there was quite a lot of volume, comparatively, there's also quite a lot of leverage coming in, right? But here you can see the volume is up 174%. All right, so what I'll tell you, just as a bit of a spoiler, is that it's most likely that this breakout is going to hold. I think the market as a whole is also looking quite strong here, looking at Bitcoin dominance at resistance as well. So it looks like a good moment for altcoins. Although the beginning of a new week can be quite volatile, right? So I'll take that back slightly. At the moment, it looks good. But the main news that we had yesterday, Ethena itself, by the way, is doing great, all right? If you take a look at the TVL and what they've been expanding with, TVL right now is $5.8 billion, right? So that's absolutely amazing. And that actually places it in the top, it places it in the top 8 on Ethereum. So that's all great, but the main news yesterday was that World Liberty Finance bought Ethena, all right, which you can see right here. At the moment they hold, I'll refresh it real quick to actually get some updated data. They hold $600,000 of Ethena, and World Liberty Finance is obviously the project tied to Trump, which they already bought Link and Aave last week. Those rallied a huge amount, so obviously, I mean, it looks like everything they'll buy is going to go up a lot. so that's the main reason for this bullish momentum. But like I said, and what I wanted to show you, is that Ethena has already been doing well before this as well, both fundamentally but also technically. I mean, look at this uptrend. So now, like I said, the main question today, and that's also going to be the main indication or the main decider of what we'll do with the price, is can we actually get a weekly close above this level right here at 1.1 and 1.05? So that's what we will have to wait for. I can tell you right now, I think it's most likely with the volume we've seen, with the way the market is going right now, and with the fundamentals behind this project, I think it's most likely that we will be able to hold this level. All right, so that means that volatility, that's all fine. That's to be expected, something like this, right? But ultimately, I think it's most likely we'll hold this level, and that we will slowly get up to the all-time high, which is around 1.5, 1.45. That's what I think is most likely, all right? But would I personally trade this at this point of time? No. Maybe if we get a pullback into 1.1, 1.05, that's a relatively low-risk trade, I'd say. At the moment, I would not buy. I think it's better to wait for another daily close. If we actually get a bullish daily and therefore also weekly close, then it's unless something super terrible to the market happens, it's a pretty no-brainer buy. But until then, I'd be a bit cautious. Like I said, Sundays, Mondays can be quite volatile. So make sure that if you do want to buy this, you'll stay off the high leverage and maybe stick to spot. But that's up to you. Those are my thoughts for now. That's all I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.